Well, a birthday is the perfect opportunity to make someone feel special and go all out. Hallmark artist Mandy Shewmaker is here with a look at trends, and also she's going to help get us started on a birthday DIY. So we're looking at a lot of yarn here.
Yes.
So what do we have going on?
Yes, well, I'm going to show you how to do some do-it-yourself pom-pom making and how you can add it to a lot of already done Hallmark products to make your own gift come to life with your own personal style.
Okay, and it's a win anytime we can start something with a couple of toilet paper rolls.
Yes. It's easy, it's fast. This is just one of many ways you can create a pom-pom. But if you want to hold those,
Okay.
so I'll actually thread this through the middle right there. So you have a little piece to start, and then you just keep winding the yarn.
Okay, so this would be perfect to do a summertime activity with the kids, with some friends.
Exactly. So you keep going. The more you wind it, the bigger the pom-pom will be. So I'll just show you how this one wound
really
it
shaped up.
quite a bit.
Yeah.
So the easy part is you just slide it off, and then you hold it like that. And then
cutting
you cut. You do some cutting. And the trick is you want to knot it around the center, and then from there, you just start cutting.
Okay, we can give that pom-pom a haircut and make it like any size. These look awesome.
This is how they turn out.
And would you recommend doing this, like maybe if you're having an outdoor party, something like that? These are perfect for a summertime social.
Yeah, you can add these for like fun table decorations, or the kids can use them with their backpacks, or you can even use it like make small ones for jewelry, or just lots of different purposes.
Package decoration. These are stunning.
Yeah, these were a lot of fun to work on. So Hallmark already has tons of gift wrap, tons of embellishments you can add to any gift, but we're encouraging you to take a look around your craft closet, see what you have at home, and start mixing the materials and really make your own gift come to life.
I was going to say, this is like every cheerleader's dream, like come to life on a package. But let's move over to these cards, because you're obviously a Hallmark artist, and you helped make some of these.
Yes. I'm a designer on the Hallmark signature team, and our cards really feature a lot of dimension and embellishment and special processes. So these are a few I've worked on.
Check out these high heels, right? This is like straight out of a movie. So many of my friends would just absolutely
Lots of bling, yes. So that's one of them that I've worked on, and then some of these work better for summer birthdays. There's some summer cocktails, there's palm trees, and just lots of fun summer different birthdays.
What are some of the materials and colors that you guys are focusing on for the summer?
So with summer, it's, you definitely want to go bright. So we're seeing lots of bright patterns and textures. You can see those in the gifts coming to life. We also like to add in a lot of metallics right now. Those are really hot, and even adding glitter or a little shine to your gift makes it fun.
I was going to say, we're taking a look at some of those pom-poms just on the top of the packages. Of course, we're going to finish that up here in just a few minutes. But the sparkle, really, that's setting it apart.
Yeah. And you can even add things that are unexpected, like feathers. Things that are in your craft closet that you're like, what am I going to do with this? But you can add it to your gift.
Mandy, thank you so much for showing us how we can use things that we already have mixed in, of course, with these new items. And we'll see you here in just about half an hour.
Great, thanks.
Maker. Now, Mandy, earlier you showed Belinda how to make the DIY pom-poms.
That's right.
And right now we're going to learn how to kind of spruce up our wrapping with these pom-poms. But first, I think I need to get more on your level when it comes to wrapping gifts, because these are fantastic. You've even incorporated the card into the wrapping itself. See, first off, I'm going to tell you what I would have done on this. And you can tell me how to do it better. Because I would have just gone with the paper.
That's
and then I would have been done after that. But you've gone ahead and kind of made a place where you can tuck the card into this?
Yeah, well, that's okay. You can do it any way you want to express your personal style. And we actually can have all these different ways you can keep a card with the gift. You can make a little band with ribbon to keep it in. You can make actually a little pocket.
A little card pocket over there? Yeah, look at that over here. That's really cool. And that's just is that just an extra piece of wrapping paper just folded over?
Yep, you can just make it a little bit bigger than your card and just attach it to the gift and slide your card right in. And actually, all of our gift bags, they come with a little pocket inside the bag.
Oh, nice.
So you can just easily slide your card in there. So you don't want the card to get lost from the gift. That's very important too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when we're starting to make our pom-poms or making the little extra flair that we're seeing,
Yes.
what should we have maybe laying around the house that we can use?
Yeah, definitely go through that craft closet, see what you have on hand that you haven't used before, but might express your personal style, something that kind of brings your gift to life.
Yeah. Okay, so I know you're a professional and everything. So when you take a gift like this to a party, do you have ever anybody say, I can't open that because it's wrapped too nice?
Occasionally, but that's okay.
I mean, I really want to know what's inside of it, but it looks so nice anyway,
Well,
you know?
it just shows that you really put a lot of effort into it, and it just kind of shows some extra care.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and put the poms on ours. I know you got your package over here to start out with. Now we're going to incorporate some of the poms that we made at home with some of the ones that Hallmark has, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So Hallmark actually has made lots of these fun poms, lots of ribbon that we can already incorporate.
Okay.
I've used a few different embellishments like ribbon and some sequin
little feathers
ribbon
and stuff
some
there.
feathers.
Yeah, look at that.
So you can kind of just have fun. I usually start with the bigger pieces first and kind of, put in the corner or somewhere where you can easily add on the other items. So if I start with see, you're doing great. So maybe I'll put the bigger pom-pom here.
Okay.
Slide in some of those feathers and
Oh,
sequins.
okay, I like that. So it's okay to go over the card
It
then.
is.
All
You
right.
can break any rule you want.
We don't want to forget who the present's for, though, right?
That's true. That's
Okay.
true. So and
Is
then
too many poms a bad thing?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think you can go big. Go big on the poms.
Go big or go home. Okay.
Yes.
All the poms in. Let's
all
do
the
it.
poms, all the
Okay.
poms. But if you start, if you get your larger ones on here, then you can start adding in some of your smaller ones.
Okay.
You just kind of sprinkle them in, and you can use glue or tape or whatever you have on hand. But then you end up with a cute little.
I mean,
package.
it's
Oh,
way
that's
cute.
great.
But like I said, I would feel bad about opening this if it was given to me. And I was like, oh, I'm sure there's a wonderful present in there, but I'm just going to go put that up on the shelf because it looks so nice.
That's okay. People can save the poms, use them on their next gift.
Awesome.
So it's okay.
And then what else can you guys talk about decorating with some of these poms? I know we obviously did the gift here, but these are multi-use, obviously, around the house.
Yes, you can use them on the gifts, presents, anything really, but kids can play with them. They can use them on their backpacks or school projects. There's lots of different purposes, and they're always fun.
Awesome. Well, we love it, and you can maybe like throw them at the camera too.
There you go.
Got close.
Yeah,
All right,
that was
anyway,
really close.
I'm just having fun today. Mandy, we appreciate you being here. Thank you so much, and thank you for, it's like the biggest they've ever written my name. You can see that from all the way from there too. So, all right, well, fantastic. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
All right, sorry about that. There we go.